In the 21st century, new technologies such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, and big data have completely redefined the way we conduct business. As longtime veterans within the fintech industry, we at IP Capital have a vision to harness these technologies to accelerate value creation in the new digital era and, in turn, transform the world. IP Capital is an international company committed to providing users with a comprehensive suite of digital asset services. We specialize in research and development into the future of fintech, such as quantitative trading, leveraged AI trading systems, cloud storage systems, and enterprise management software. At IP Capital, we have sworn to uphold the principles of professionalism, innovation, collaboration, and integrity to constantly create and redefine value for our clients by analyzing new opportunities, continuously building relationships, and executing the best strategies with our clients in mind. IP Capital have achieved tremendous success in the market within a short period of time. We are proud to serve users and enterprises from over 10 countries, and we will continue to inspire and drive every individual and business in the world. After years of dedicated research and development, the team has released 2 new exciting products. First, the Artificial Intelligence Analysis AIA bot system, an automated trading system that uses our proprietary AI predictive analytics to analyze trading patterns, determine trends, and automatically execute trades. The second, IP Cloud, is a diversified asset management platform that can provide reliable custodian services for both enterprises and individual users. Users can also easily manage and grow their digital asset portfolio with us by trading or staking within IP Cloud. With an emphasis on continuous innovation, we are inventing new paths and breaking the old ways. Our high-quality products and solutions will help users survive in the new financial markets. Join us to build a better tomorrow and shape the future of fintech.
Hi, I'm Dr. Val, CMO of Intelligent Prime Capital. IP Capital is an international company specializing in using artificial intelligence technology to push the boundary of the fintech industry. Personally, I'm optimistic about the future trend of AI, and with the current pandemic, the need for decentralization and automation has only accelerated the pace of its adoption. This is why IP Capital, we are continuously innovating and implementing AI technology into many of our products, including leverage AI trading system, cloud storage system, and enterprise management software. AI-powered tools ensure greater efficiency, lower human error rates, and offer deeper data analysis. This is evidenced in trading, where one of the biggest weaknesses is personal emotion. With AI technology, you can rely purely on data-driven algorithms to make your decision. Besides AI technology, we are researching into wide areas of other technologies and developing products and services that will be increasingly important in the digital era. For example, cloud storage services are fast beating our traditional storage giants like Amazon and Microsoft. Through IP Clouds, our cloud storage service will help users from all over the world manage digital assets in a decentralized and secure manner. At IP Capital, we want to continuously create and redefine values for our users. At the moment, we are serving users from more than 10 countries. We will leverage on our competitive advantage, continuous growing, and I expect we will see an increase in market cap in the next 2 quarters. Thank you everyone for your support. Please continue to support us. We will strive to build a better and stronger future. At IP Capital is a global company dedicated to providing a comprehensive suite of digital and asset service to the global user. We specialize in future fintech research and development such as quantitative trading leverage, AI trading system, cloud storage system, and enterprise management software. User and business come from 10 different countries, including the US, the United Kingdom, Canada, Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan, China, Nigeria, Cameroon, and Ghana. IP Capital is a fintech innovation firm that has seized a market opportunity that has been discussed for years. For the time being, we have launched two business industries, foreign exchange and blockchain. We will be introducing more business to everyone in the future. We will spearhead the global campaign to ensure that everyone have an equal playing field in the global finance market. Artificial intelligence makes life easier in this age of globalization. It truly provides a lot of convenience and opportunity to the market, and everyone enjoys it. As a result, we developed our own system, the AIA bot system, to analyze investment and trading patterns automatically and precisely based on specific techniques, setting, and preset algorithms. Almost everything we can think of has been redefined by the internet. We are doing things differently, forging new paths, and upending the status quo. IP Capital is a Canadian company with a regulatory license from the Canadian Finance Regulatory Agency, as well as a digital asset management license. In reality, we are a financial technology innovation firm whose vision and mission is to seek out and bring inspiration and motivation to every enterprise and aspiring entrepreneurs around the world. As a cutting-edge fintech firm, we are committed to assisting our global user and enterprise in realizing their full potential. We are constructing everything that you will require to survive in the financial market. Foreign exchange, which can be understood as one of the most stable markets that has been sustained in this financial world. One of the myths of the financial industry that never fall. This is why we focus on foreign exchange as the primary industry, and blockchain technology is one of the most recent trends in this financial industry. It is also our IP cloud wallet system which we created. With this, we are able to strive and achieve new goals, as our team will continue to strive for new opportunities and opportunities for IP Capital family, which is our goal. We officially launched our global financial products and digital asset trading platform in 2021, offering global users a one-stop diversified financial service platform and digital asset management platform. In the future, we will continue to develop more industry, which may include traditional industries such as IP property, IP mall, and so on. As our technology and innovation improve, we will develop more industry as the market expands, and the result will astonish all our clients.